Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Scott, and we got another episode of Coach Scott's Chemistry on Purple Wave Chemistry. And today, I'm going to help you prepare for the Unit 1 exam. So we seem to have a lot of questions on significant figures, sig figs. Guys, don't let this sweat you too bad, all right? It's not going to be that big of a deal, I promise you. Right? It's really rules for how you round something. All right, if you got a counting number, they're always significant. Think about where do we get our sig figs from? Is how good our measurement system is. So we have all the digits that are going to be that we can see, and then one digit that we've got some uncertainty in that we're going to guess a little bit. So let's see how we do our numbers here, right? So I'm gonna write some down. Let's say I've got a digit that's 909.88. Okay, so let's see. This one here, this zero. What are we going to do with our zeros? This zero is in the middle. Remember our rules. If the zeros are at the beginning of a counting number, they're never significant. Never significant. If they're between two counting numbers like this one is, it's always significant. Okay? And if it's at the end, let's put a zero here just for fun. Okay? If it's after a decimal and after a counting number, it's significant. If it's not after a decimal, even if it's after a counting number, it's not significant. Okay? So let's see. So this would be 6 significant figures. This would be 6, I'm going to say SF. If you see me write SF or type SF, that stands for significant figures, is what it is. So, let's say you have something on a question on a test, the test, and say, okay, I want to round this to 5 sig figs. All right, and they want you to write 5 sig figs. Let's see how we do this. Where's my pen? Oh, there we are. There we are. Let me get my purple out again. Up a little bit, up a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to say 5 sig figs. How do I put this into round it to 5 SFs? All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll look to the right. If it's greater than 5, I'm going to round up. If it's less than 5, I'm going to run down. So I would just write this 909.88. That gave me 5 sig figs. Let's do 4 significant figures. 4 SFs. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to look to the right. Look right there, and that's an 8. That means I got to round up. So now I'm going to write 909.9. That's 4 sig figs. All right. So I want to round to 3 sig figs. This is going to be interesting. 3 SF. Okay, so that's 9. 3 sig figs right there. Ooh, but that means I got to round up to the 9. That's a 9. That's greater than 5. That's a 9. Ooh, so now I've got to write 910. I've got to make it significant. So if I put a dot right there, I'm going to make it heavy so I know it's a dot. That gave me 3 significant figures. That told me that I read it to 910. 3 significant figures. All right, now if I say 2 sig figs, I look to the right of the second one, 1, 2, that's a 0. So now I'm going to write 910, no dot. That tells me I have 2 significant figures. Now let's review our rules again really quick. If I have a number like this, 0.0, point, I always put a 0 up front. 0, 0, 3. Well, what did I just do? Oh, I don't know. 3, 0, 2, 0. Got all kinds of zeros there. Let's see what's significant. The beginning is never. So that's the beginning. Those are not significant. We're not going to count those as sig figs. The middle is always. That is a sig fig. Those are not sig figs. Then we got to look at the end. The end. There's a 0 at the end. guess dot, so there is a dot in front of it, way in front of it, but it is in front of it, and it's after a counting number. That is also significant. So that would be 4 sig figs. 4 sig figs. Now I can write that a couple of ways. Alright, I could write it in scientific notation. Alright, go back up here and choose the purple again. Let me see where I'm at. Up here, there we go. I'm going to write that in scientific notation. I'm going to write it like so. 3.020 times 10 to the minus 4. Oh, I'm hitting the little button on my pen. That shouldn't do that. Alright, minus 4. 10. 3.020 times 10 to the minus 4. If I wrote 3.02, that would be 3 sig figs. I want 4 sig figs, 3.020 times 10 to the minus 4. Okay? Or I can write it like so, just like it is. 0.0003020. That's 4 sig figs. Okay? Hopefully that helps you understand that part a little bit better. I'm going to break these up a little bit just to help you guys out. The next one is on how to do calculations with sig figs. That's how to do sig figs. So this is Coach Scott saying, Hallabaloo, connect, connect. Have a great day.